This is Kingdom Business, and I see you made it back to another day and another $1,000. Today is day 22 of my 31-day challenge. You're not going to believe how much I made today. This chart is a 15-minute chart. This here is when the market opened. It had a heavy volume to the downside. When this opened, you can see that wick. It jumped up. I caught it when it was right there. Wrote it down in the morning. Saw heavy volume. Saw a little reversal. When it got over this line, I jumped back in, caught this up, and then I caught that candle. This is the Dow chart, so I started here with the Dow. That move right there was $500. That one little move. I traded this for, let's see, I traded this, what day is it today, the 22nd? I traded the NASDAQ and the Dow today. And then let's go over to the NASDAQ. I traded the NASDAQ on a 1-minute candle. You see I draw this line here. Rode this up. Rode this up. And then that one candle rode that down. That was about $150 profit. But you see how choppy these are here, the 1-minute candle? That's what I do. That's what I specialize. Right now, this is live. We have a nice drop. The market is closing right now. Look at that gap. Look at all these gaps. I would buy it. Right now, I'm not in the trade. But I'm showing you what I would do. I would buy it right around here. This is a good entry. Fill that. Come up here. Fill that. Let's see if it plays out. The market is closing in a minute. Even if you got it here, that is 20, 540. Even if it comes down more, that's your volume. It's gonna come down and hit this bar. You see how I drew this? I drew this way back here. It's gonna come down to here, and look at that, beautiful touch. You are witnessing this live. So even if I got in here, let me show you what I do. I would have doubled down right here. I forgot about this line, so I probably would have waited until it hit that line. I would buy it anywhere in here. So I would start my first buy right there. This is going to reverse. Let's see when the next candle is going. You have 10 seconds. I might get in this as a live trade. Get in it right now. Another gap down. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to take this. I am going to take this trade right here. Let's see, what is this? This is the NASDAQ. This is my buy order. It ends at 2, 3, 4, 5, ends at 5 o'clock, so we have 1 hour to trade this. I'm gonna teach you this. I'm in. I just got in. Just for proof, that blue line is where I'm in. The blue line is where I'm in. The purple line is where it's at right now. I'm down $35. If this drops down to here, I'm going to buy more. I am looking for a reversal. I'm down $35. It broke this bar, which it needed to break. All the way over here is where I set it up. So it had to feel that. It had to break that. And we actually have a gap right there. We have a gap right there. We have a gap right there. Now I'm down $15 with a little reversal. I am up $65. Profit, $65. That line is where I entered. Purple line is where it's at. I'm up $50. Normally, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I'm up $55. This might pull back, or it might go. I'm looking for the next candle, which is in 10 minutes. Which is in 10 seconds. I want to see what this next candle does. I'm up $55. The next candle, where are we at? Where's the next candle? I'm up $250. So what I do, you see right there, jumped up back up to that as a resistance. I'm up $280. I'm up $315. I took the profit at that bar, and right there it reversed. Once it hit the bar, it reversed. So what I do, I come over here to, I made 305. I just showed you 310 profit minus commissions. That was only one contract. Normally I do 2 to 4. So I made $300. That was a live trade. $300 live trade. Back to here. I got in down here, remember? It had a major gap up. It filled that. See how it broke my line that I had? Came down, retested my line. That's when I got out. $300 trade. That's 1, 2. I bought it right there. That's 3 minutes. Made $300 in 3 minutes. Actually, I made 305.42. That's how we do it. 3 minutes worth of work. And now we hit that, and now it's reversing again. But we're out. I knew that was coming up to at least to that line, and it hit. That's how we do it. That was a live trade. Everybody just witnessed a live trade. Now let me recap of the day. First, 2 trades. That's $450 on the first 2 trades. Did another $400. That came up to $1,000. That's the goal. $1,000 a day. That happened in 30 minutes. I said I was going to stop and call it a day in 30 minutes of trading. Who makes $1,000 in 30 minutes? We just did it. But I kept going. I saw a lot of momentum, all these $100. I did that right there. The last trade of the day, $600. And that was 2 hours worth of work. 30 minutes for 1,000, 2 hours for guess what? 1,500. Add that all up, $2,500 in 2.5 hours. 12 wins, 0 losses. A perfect day. $2,500 in 2.5 hours. Life-changing money. And if you tithe, go give $250 away. That's in one day. That's in 2.5 hours of work. Look at the chart. This is a live chart. Hit that line. Now it's dropping. We could have made some more money off of that. I didn't want to push it. I just wanted to show you how I make money. That's a live trade. 1, 2, 3 minutes. $300. Until tomorrow. This is Kingdom Business. You want to make money? Subscribe to this channel. Get the word out, because this is what we're doing. Shalom.